Eco-clothes. Have you already guessed what our lesson is about? Right, it is about clothes and ecology. Let's learn some new words. How do you like this top? It's pretty, but I was thinking about something more warm. You should try this sweater on then. Top, sweater. How do you like this sweater? Looks nice. What is it made of? It's acrylic. Oh, synthetic. I prefer natural fabrics. Well, this one is 100% cashmere. Thank you. But this is far too expensive. Acrylic, synthetic, fabric, cashmere. Approval. Awful. Disapproval. Disgusting. Dreadful. Baggy. Elegant. Casual. Classy. Are you going to go to school like this? You look ridiculous. Pattern. Patent. Ridiculous. Loose-fitting. Tight-fitting. Scruffy. Smart. Cotton. Velvet. Leather. Silk. Nylon. Flax. Floral. Polka dot. Striped. Checked. Plain. I'd like to express my character with my new haircut. How do you feel about this one? It is very trendy. I don't mind. Haircut. Character. Trendy. Mind.
I really don't get all this craze about latest fashion. To me, clean jeans and t-shirt always look nice.
Latest. Craze. It suits you really well. Really? I think it doesn't fit. Suit. Fit. Travis is stressed because of a bad mark. Mark. Stressed. Too. Enough. Let's learn some phrasal verbs. Get dressed. Get dressed up. Hang on. Try on. Keep up with.